Mystery boxes are dead. So is the drone I crashed 4 years ago. So today I'm rolling the dice, putting everything on the line for a chance. I bought the cheapest drone mystery box. Is this the worst decision I ever made or the best cheap investment of all time? Only this video will tell. Apparently this drone can do flips, 360s this way, can do backflip, can even do front flips. I can't wait to test that out. Let's get ready for takeoff. Will it even come off the ground? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! It just flew straight forward into the tripod. I should be doing this in a field and not have a giant lake to the right of me and a giant hill to the left of me. Into the grass. Oh, no, back. I just restarted the drone and it's working now. Wow. The video will be longer than a minute and a half. This is crazy. Well, it actually looks pretty cool on the camera of the drone. I can see it taking off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I swear it's flying. There we go. Woo! It's flying! Let's go! Oh my gosh. It's doing it, guys. This is crazy. Take it back. Thinking we should try some of those flips. Get it over there. It's actually not that loud, surprisingly. Should do a backflip. Whoa! That was crazy. This is so much fun. We're gonna do a front flip. Ready? Whoa! Woo! Backflip. Woo! It seems like it likes to fly up before it does the flip. So I'm gonna land this. All right, we're gonna landing. Woo! Successful landing, baby! Crazy. Let's just do a quick camera test. I have it recording on the app here. This is the front-facing camera. It's looking at me. We also have the bottom-facing camera. So if I switch it, now it can see below. So if I put it above my head, it is now above me. That is pretty crazy. Another cool feature is that it does light up. So at night, it will be highly visible. So while I ran all these tests on this drone, it actually died on me. But the battery is so small, I was able to recharge it on the spot in like 5 minutes. So you can basically fly this thing forever, which you can't do with normal drones. A couple more quick tests I did was comparing the $5,000 camera directly to the drone, particularly focal length. Look how much farther the drone is zoomed in than my wide angle lens. But the bottom camera is a really nice extra feature. Finally, I wanted to get the drone higher so it could do a classic follow shot. And while it did capture this definitely isn't a cinema level camera, but that's not what this is for. So is this the cinematographer's dream? No. However, is this drone so much freaking fun? Yes. I'm smiling so much. It took me so many attempts just to get it to fly that when I finally got it in the air, it was so exciting. Woo! It's flying! It crashed so many times and it was fine every time. Like it literally crashed into those branches of it. That was more fun than unboxing the $800 drone. It had a successful landing. It literally felt like landing a rocket ship for the first time. So much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This drone is so much fun. Peace.